Mhm. There are two right now. The rest of them have gone there, and I don't know if they're coming back. But Elsa is here. She is their mom. And this one I have not named. So if you have any name for this one, please tell me. Like, you can write down. Because I really need a name for this guy. He's very cute. And there she goes. They were like here. They come like here like 18 hours. You can find them at night, at day, at noon. I don't know what they do here, but they just come here, sleep here, and go there. That's the place where they found food.